Today is a fun lesson. We are learning family signs, so signs for all of your family members. So first, let's do the sign for family. You have two F hand shapes. They come together, and they go in a little circle, and they meet on the other side. Family, family, family. So now let's learn the family members. First thing that's important is that female signs are on your chin, and male signs are on your forehead. So you'll see how that is important. So the sign for mom is this, mom. Your thumb just taps your chin. The sign for dad is the same hand shape, it's just on your forehead. So female mom's on your chin, male dad's on your forehead. So all the female or girl-related signs are on your chin, male-related signs are on your forehead. Mom and dad, mom and dad. Sister and brother, you do two L hand shapes, and you touch your chin for sister and you go down. And for brother, you touch your forehead and go down. Now make sure that you notice where my hands are landing. Sometimes students do it where their fingers are like kind of on top of each other, and that's not how it is. Your hand hits right on top of the other one. So sister and brother. And it kind of, the L, like the thumb, it's not sticking out like this. It's kind of going down so that they're able to layer on top of each other. So sister and brother. Sister and brother. If you touch your chin and go down, it's sister. If you touch your forehead with your thumb, it's brother. Sister and brother. Grandma and grandpa, very similar to mom and dad, but you flick it out. Grandma and grandpa. So mom and dad, grandma and grandpa. Now one thing that's really important is that whenever you sign mom and dad, that you don't push it out at all. You just have to do little taps. Because if you do, it kind of looks like you're signing grandma and grandpa. So it's got to be tap tap for mom, tap tap for dad, and then grandma goes out and grandpa goes out. Next we have cousins. So if it's a female cousin, you do it by your chin. You just twist a C. It's a male cousin, same thing, but by your forehead. Aunt is an A twisted by your chin, and uncle is a U twisted by your forehead. Now if you remember a few lessons ago when we learned opposites, girl was down here and boy was up here. So that should help you remember as well. Female signs are down here, male signs are up here, and it's pretty much the same signs, it's just the location that's different. Except for aunt is with an A and uncle is with a U, but otherwise mom and dad are the same except for they're in a different place. Grandma and grandpa, sister and brother. A sign that's important with these family member signs is have. Have. So you would say, I, with your pointing finger, I have one sister, two brothers. Or I have a mom, a dad, and no sisters and brothers. This is no. It's like two O's or two zeros, none. And you can't shake them, none. You can do it once, you can't shake. Myself, I have one sister and no brothers. So I would say I have one sister, brothers, none. Brothers, none. Or you could say I have a mom and dad, sisters, brothers, none. Or no sisters and brothers. If you want to put it at the beginning, that's fine. I typically do it at the end. You set up what you're talking about and then you say none, but either is correct. But now you're able to list what family members you have and how many you have. Again, remember for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, it's palm in. So you would say, I have two sisters, one brother, making sure it's all palm in. I have a mom, a dad, a grandma, a grandpa, sisters, brothers, aunts, uncles, girl cousins, boy cousins, whatever it is, you would just show the number of how many you have. Then if you don't have a particular family member of those, you would just say none, none, none. So I have or none. So let's go through those one more time. We have family, which is an F, family, family, mom, dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa, girl cousin, boy cousin, aunt, and uncle. And then you could say I have or none. So that's it for this lesson. Make sure to always be reviewing what we've learned in previous lessons and to be practicing, and I will see you in the next one.